We're very proud of our billet aluminum hood hinges here at Eddy Motorsports. We now make models for 35 different cars in several different finishes. All of our hood hinges are machined right here in our Southern California facility out of a solid chunk of billet aluminum. These hood hinges obviously are brilliant looking. They use a nitrogen-filled gas strut to operate them in place of your flimsy stock spring. All of our pivot points on our hinges are done with a sealed either roller or needle bearing for really smooth, concise operation. You see there's no side-to-slide slop, none of that flimsiness that you get with your stock steel springs. And as with most parts at Eddy Motorsports, they come in several different finishes. This is our bright polish finish, which is our most popular. We also have a matte black finish, a gloss black anodized finished, and a raw machine finish, which gives it that understated look, just like it comes off a machine where you can see the groove lines.